Ever wondered what makes the sun shine so brightly? The sun, a star at the heart of our solar system, is more than just a radiant celestial body. It's the primary source of energy for all life on Earth, an indispensable force that fuels our existence. Composed predominantly of hydrogen and helium, the sun is a compelling example of cosmic chemistry. Remember, the sun is not just a bright spot in the sky, it's a fascinating celestial body powering life on our planet. But what exactly goes on inside this blazing ball of gas? Well, the sun is actually made up of several layers, each playing a crucial role in generating the energy that sustains life on Earth. Let's start from the center and work our way out. At the heart of the sun is the core, a region of extreme temperature and pressure where hydrogen atoms are fused together to create helium in a process called nuclear fusion. This reaction is so powerful, it releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of light and heat. Moving outward, we encounter the radiative zone, where energy produced in the core travels in the form of photons. These photons bounce around, taking thousands of years to reach the next layer, the convective zone. Here, the sun's energy is carried upward by massive currents of hot gas. Next, we reach the photosphere, the surface of the sun we can actually see. It's here, where the light from the sun finally escapes into space. Above the photosphere, the sun's atmosphere begins with the chromosphere and extends out to the corona, which can be seen during a total solar eclipse as a beautiful halo of light. So, energy created in the core travels through these layers, eventually reaching the surface, and then makes its way to Earth, providing the warmth and light necessary for life. The sun's structure is a marvel of natural engineering, producing the energy that sustains life as we know it. But how does this colossal ball of burning gas affect us on Earth? Well, let's delve into the sun's many roles. It's not just a bright spot in the sky or a source of daylight. The sun is a vital part of our existence. Let's start with Earth's climate and weather. The sun's energy drives the winds, the rains, the snowfall, in fact all weather phenomena. The amount of sunlight each part of the Earth receives varies, causing the cycle of seasons. When it's summer in the northern hemisphere, it's because that part of the Earth is tilted towards the sun. 6 months later, when the Earth has traveled halfway around its orbit, the southern hemisphere gets its turn in the sun, which is when we in the north experience winter. Now let's talk about photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy, usually from the sun, into chemical energy. This process not only sustains plant life, but also indirectly sustains all animals, including us humans, because we all rely on plants for food and oxygen. Then, there's the sun's more volatile side, solar flares. These are sudden eruptions of energy, which can disrupt satellite and communication systems on Earth. While they can cause some issues, our planet's magnetic field generally protects us from harmful effects. The sun's influence extends far beyond just light and heat. It shapes our world in countless ways. So next time you feel the sun's rays on your face, remember it's not just warmth you're feeling, but the engine of life on Earth. So we've journeyed through the sun's blazing layers and understood its immense influence on Earth, but what are the key takeaways? First and foremost, the sun is a star, a celestial body of glowing gas. It sits at the center of our solar system, a constant radiant presence that's been there for about 4.5 billion years. It's not just any star though, it's our star, the one that gives us daylight and drives the seasons. Its structure is a marvel of cosmic engineering. Its core, where nuclear fusion occurs, is surrounded by the radiant and convective zones. Above these lies the photosphere, the visible surface we see from Earth. Above that, the chromosphere and the corona extend out into space. Each layer plays its part in the sun's grand design. The sun's role in our solar system is paramount. It's the gravitational anchor that keeps us in orbit. But it's not just about gravity. The sun provides the energy that drives life on Earth. It powers photosynthesis in plants, which produces the oxygen we breathe and the food we eat. It drives the weather and climate. Without the sun, life as we know it would cease to exist. Next time you feel the sun's warmth, remember, it's not just a ball of gas, but a cosmic powerhouse, shaping life as we know it.